The Azza Regis 902 is a strikingly unique PC case that has garnered attention for its bold design and eye-catching features. With a price tag of $399.99, it's positioned as a premium showcase chassis. But what does it offer beyond the striking exterior? Let's take a closer look. From the outside, the Regis 902 commands attention. Its cube-like design, though not a perfect cube, stands out in the world of PC cases, particularly for larger ATX builds. The case sits on a distinctive metal stand that holds it at an angle, giving it an elevated presence. This design choice means it doesn't have a traditional bottom, but instead showcases the sides and front in a way few cases do. While this design is undoubtedly eye-catching, it also demands ample space for placement, making it less suited for cramped areas. The case features 3 tempered glass panels and gold accents, adding a premium touch to its overall aesthetic. A standout feature is the infinity mirror optical illusion on the front panel, which, with its RGB LED lighting, creates a mesmerizing depth effect that's both futuristic and visually puzzling. Inside, the Regis 902 offers an easy building experience, which is a pleasant surprise considering its complex design. The motherboard tray, positioned with the motherboard facing upward when the case is in its stand, makes installation simple. Components like the CPU, RAM, and graphics cards can be swapped effortlessly with minimal obstruction. The case accommodates graphics cards up to 336mm long and up to 3 slots wide, making it versatile for modern GPUs. Additionally, the case supports large air coolers up to 210mm in height and features mounting points for 240mm or 280mm liquid coolers. One notable aspect of the design is the placement of water cooling. Azza has ingeniously designed the case to allow a cooler to be mounted directly behind the motherboard tray, ensuring there's no obstruction in the way of installation and maximizing airflow. However, the Regis 902 does have some limitations. For one, its cooling options are somewhat restricted. With space for only 5 fans in total, users are left with limited flexibility when it comes to airflow. The case includes a single 140mm fan, but its basic design lacks any flair, which feels a bit out of place considering the case's striking appearance. If you're planning on adding more cooling options, you'll need to make use of the 240mm, 280mm fan brackets. But even then, the positioning could interfere with accessing some motherboard connectors. Storage options are also limited to one 3.5-inch bay and two 2.5-inch bays, which may be sufficient for those relying on SSDs, but may leave users wanting more if they need more traditional storage options. Despite these drawbacks, the Regis 902 is still a standout for anyone looking to showcase their PC build. It's not designed for top-tier airflow, but rather for visual appeal and ease of building. If you're willing to pay the premium price and have the space to display it, the Azza Regis 902 is a case that will undoubtedly make your build the centerpiece of any room.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.